Welcome to our channel. Using Chromecast without Wi-Fi is possible through guest mode, which allows casting via Bluetooth and ultrasonic tones. Follow these steps to cast without a network. Step 1. Ensure guest mode is enabled on your Chromecast. Open the Google Home app, select your device, tap Settings, and enable guest mode. Step 2. A 4-digit PIN will be displayed on your TV screen when guest mode is active. Keep this screen visible for the setup process. Step 3. On your casting device, phone, or tablet, turn on Bluetooth and location services, as these are required for guest mode to work properly. Step 4. Open a Chromecast-compatible app like YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify on your device even though you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Tap the cast icon in the app. Your device will search for nearby Chromecast devices using Bluetooth and ultrasonic audio detection. Step 6. Select your Chromecast from the available devices list. You may be prompted to enter the 4-digit PIN shown on your TV screen. Step 7. Enter the PIN using your device's keyboard, then confirm. Your device will connect to the Chromecast using peer-to-peer connection technology. Step 8. Start playing content and it will cast to your TV without requiring a Wi-Fi network. Note that some apps may require internet for content streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.